From the Detroit Free Press, it's Thursday, April 23rd. Here are today's top stories. Brought to you by JB's Smokehouse, located inside Bush's Fresh Food Market of Canton. JB's offers a range of authentic barbecue favorites, from beef brisket and mac and cheese to fried green tomatoes and pulled pork tacos. JB's is sure to become your new favorite barbecue spot.
For the Detroit Free Press, I'm Kerry Jr. The Michigan Health Department reports 1,000 new cases of the coronavirus and over 100 new deaths. In total, there are nearly 34,000 COVID-19 cases and over 2,800 deaths statewide. Over the past few days, Governor Gretchen Whitmer received a lot of criticism for Michigan's stay-at-home order. At Wednesday's press conference, Whitmer defended the order and says the restrictions are working.
Michigan is no longer in the top 5 states when it comes to positive cases. So this shows that what we are doing is working, but that we must keep staying safe if we're going to keep dropping our numbers and saving lives.
Whitmer says officials are looking at what reopening looks like and that the state will begin moving in that direction soon.
Now is an appropriate time to reassess the breadth of the current stay-at-home order, to assess, the scope of what the next one might look like.
Still, the governor says it's likely she'll extend the shelter-in-place order. The city of Detroit has been testing residents and staff members in nursing homes for over a week. Results show, out of 1,300 residents, over a quarter of those tested were confirmed to have the coronavirus. On Wednesday, Mayor Mike Duggan invited nursing home directors Melissa Samuel and Mohammed Kazi to the daily press briefing. The mayor emphasized that locating the virus in nursing homes was no easy task.
There are so many COVID-19 positive people in our community who aren't showing symptoms that it was virtually impossible to separate in a nursing home setting the infectious from the non-infectious.
The mayor says partnering with the nursing homes to achieve rapid testing came at the request of the directors. Melissa Samuel is the executive director of the Healthcare Association of Michigan. She says the facilities are prepared for next steps.
Because Mayor Duggan made testing a priority, we are now armed with the necessary information to stop the spread of the virus in nursing facilities.
Mohammed Kazi is the owner of Sienna Healthcare and a board member of the Healthcare Association of Michigan. He offers optimism despite a difficult road ahead.
We do have challenges. We still have staffing challenges. But I am sure that with the resources that we have, that we're already starting to see some very positive changes taking place.
Kazi says the company is looking to hire workers that have been let go from local hospitals because of the pandemic. According to Mayor Duggan, more detailed information on COVID-19 rates in nursing homes will be released next week. Companies are continuing to reduce costs by releasing workers amid the crisis. Starting May 3rd, Founders Brewing Company will furlough 168 workers across Michigan. The decision impacts retail staff working at the Detroit and Grand Rapids tap rooms and the company store. The furlough is not expected to last longer than 6 months. The CEO of Beaumont Health is reducing his salary to meet the financial challenges of the pandemic. John Fox says he's taking a 70% cut to his base pay and declining all bonuses. In 2018, his base salary was nearly $1.9 million. On Tuesday, Fox announced Beaumont Health is laying off nearly 2,500 employees and eliminating another 450 positions. That's the latest. For more information about COVID-19 in Michigan, visit www.freep.com.
This is Christina Hall with the Detroit Free Press. The city of Detroit plans to turn its attention to skilled nursing facilities and assisted living homes after it finishes testing for COVID-19 in the city's nursing homes. Living quarters in these settings are similar to nursing homes and place residents and staff at a greater risk for contracting the virus, the chief public health officer at the city's health department says. She says as of Wednesday, 1,445 tests have been administered in 21 of the city's 26 nursing homes. There are 357 confirmed COVID-19 cases with an infection rate of 26% and 129 deaths. The city plans to have tested every resident in all the city's nursing homes this week. City officials say a 4-person team from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention also is helping. The team, in partnership with the City Health Department, conducted site visits at nursing homes Wednesday and are providing guidance on testing strategies. Long-term care facilities across Michigan must now submit daily reports to the State Health Department. The state's chief medical executive says officials are analyzing and collecting the data and expect to be able to share the information in the coming days.
This is Brian McCollum with the Detroit Free Press. Boys and girls clubs of southeastern Michigan say they're already enduring a $2 million shortfall because of the coronavirus pandemic. Now, several prominent Detroit figures and other celebrities are stepping in to help the cause. Rapper Big Sean is among those who will appear Thursday on Virtual Club Takeover, a 2-hour online event featuring hip-hop challenges and game show-style events. Also on tap are rapper Ludacris, actor Hill Harper, and Detroit-born NFL great Jerome Bettis, along with several players from the Detroit Lions, Pistons, Tigers, and Red Wings. Boys and Girls Club members have already been participating in daily virtual club sessions since the statewide shutdown closed the doors of the popular neighborhood facilities, and they'll be part of Thursday's star-studded virtual event. Several corporate sponsors and nonprofit groups, including Big Sean's own foundation, have stepped up with donations, and $250 registrations for Thursday's stream are available to the wider public. The Virtual Club Takeover will run from 3 to 5 p.m. Thursday. Check our story at freep.com for registration details.
This is Carlos Meners of the Detroit Free Press. It's draft day for the Detroit Lions. The Lions have 9 picks with at least 1 in each of the 7 rounds. They also have a lot of early picks, with 4 coming in the first 85 selections. Chief among these picks is the 3rd overall selection, which they are expected to use on Jeff Okudah, the big physical cornerback from Ohio State with great coverage skills who fills the most important area of need for the team. 2 other options who could be in play for the Lions at number 3 are Auburn's Derek Brown, a high motor and high character defensive tackle, and Clemson's Isaiah Simmons, a do-it-all linebacker who played 5 different positions and has the kind of versatility Coach Matt Patricia covets. General Manager Bob Quinn has made it known he would like to trade out of the number 3 pick, but that requires a willing trade partner. Ideally, that could be the Miami Dolphins, who pick 5th and might want to send the Lions one of their other 2 first-round picks in order to draft a quarterback like Alabama's Tua Tagovailoa or Oregon's Justin Herbert. Be sure to follow all your Detroit Lions draft news at freep.com.
To get more from the Detroit Free Press, download our mobile app on your phone, tablet, or any other mobile device. You can find the latest news, sports, photos, weather, traffic, and more. You can even sign up for notifications to get alerts on news and game updates sent right to your mobile phone or tablet. See you tomorrow.